Hi, this is Mrs. Humber and I'm doing a quick tutorial on how to enter your grades or scores into Data Tracker. The first thing you want to do is find your Data Tracker file by going to the T drive, and you find the T drive by simply looking for T. That's H drive, N drive, R drive, S drive, T drive. Once you come to the drive, you want to look for your grade level. And I'm going to look for first grade. Okay, there's first grade. And Data Tracker. And I'm going to pick Miss Lagner's. Before you open your file, right-click on your file and send it to your desktop. That will create a shortcut. So now I can close it out, look on my desktop, and there's Miss Lagner's shortcut. So click on it. And when it opens, it's an Excel file. And notice you have several pages at the bottom. You should automatically default to where to open to homeroom, and that's the one you want to be on. Okay. You see a list of your students. If you have students that are no longer here, all you have to do is click on their the field where it says active. There's a drop-down menu, and then you would click inactive if they're inactive. Okay, so if they're no longer with you in your class and they have left, then you can change them to inactive. Okay, so to put in scores, what you're going to do is look for the area that you want to put the scores in first. And up here is where you would look. And I'm going to slide over to, let's say I'm going to do SRI baseline. All I have to do is go to my student and put in their scores. Now notice that my students don't start with the first student on the list. All I have to do is scroll so that I'm at the top of my list. Okay, so now I'm at the top of my list. I'll click on the field and put in the score. Okay, then use a down arrow to put in the next score. Down arrow, next score, and so on. You can also do a number and hit enter, and it will go to the next field. Okay. So once you have put in all of your scores, you want to make sure that you save, and you can do that by coming up to the little save icon up here. It looks like a disk, and hit save. Okay. Once that's completed, I'm going to close out so we can go back into Lagner's. And you see the scores are still there. Okay, this completes the little mini tutorial of how to enter in your data into Data Tracker. If you have any questions, please feel free to come see me.